Everybody stand up. The show is about to start. Places. The show is about to start. You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look. Faces. Beautiful. No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art. Designers are the gods. Models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against that beauty is a trade and everyone gets paid? Fashionista. How do you look? Fashionista. How do you look? New York, London, Paris, Milan, Tokyo. I think it's in Japan. Asia, Malaysia, Las Vegas to play. LA. If you pay my way. Fashionista. How do you look? Who you wearing? Sean John, Calvin Klein, Donna Karen's fashion line, Nicole Michael Kors, Mr. Ford I can't afford, D&G and BCBG. Looking great is never easy. Alexander Herco, Naomi Campbell, such a witch.
laughing, they grinning, and they pointing. They acting like I ain't got no purpose to be up in here. But I do, because guess what? My hair, wait for it, looks fierce.
Supposed to have curls and wear a jean size 3. All the curves in all the right places, spray tan faces, just like on TV.
And we read in the Gospel of Luke that we're all supposed to dress and move and be
Visions of perfection, such a misconception, 'cause the real connection is deeper than the eye can see.
What's inside of you, inside? What's inside of me, inside? All that makeup, moving stars, the mountains and the sea has made you wonderful, beautiful, marvelously. Let the whole world see your true beauty. The whole world see your
seems like a lot of drama to me. You can keep on your red high heels and open-toed shoes. I'm good in my bare feet.
Looking down to the nitty-gritty and those things in the city. What about purity? Skin is just the surface. The passion and the purpose that's burning down inside us is really what we need to see.
You can't sew it up.
So don't waste your time.
It's the love in your heart, the peace in your soul, the hope in your smile that lets the whole world know.
This little light shine. What's inside of you? What's inside of me? The power that made the moon, the sun, the mountains, and the sea has made you wonderful, beautiful, marvelously. Let the whole world see your true beauty. The whole world see your true beauty. True beauty.
You're the one and only you. Express it any way you want. Stand the way you feel inside and rock this world. Daring to be different.